My name is Bader Jamamitouri. I am a physical therapy student. Today I am going to talk about ultrasound and bone healing. Ultrasound is enabled to penetrate cortical bone the high reflectively of the soft tissue. The oxygen is safe, effective and painless ultrasound treatment that is clinically proven to speed up the body natural bone healing process. The stage of healing bone fracture, first of all hematoma, is building of protein a bone forms a clot. The second one, soft serous formation, formed by fibroblasts and chondroblasts depositing collagen and fibrocartilage in granulation tissue. The third, hard serous formation, is cemented to dead bone around the inner side and acts to temporary splint joint broken in together. The bone remodeling hard serous persists for 3 or 4 months. Osteoblasts dissolve from of the bone. Using oxygen don't need to extra visits to the doctor office, can be safely used at home. And thank you.